Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. The water pump on this washing machine is broken and needs to be replaced. For this job, the top panel, display panel, door panel and the back panel must be removed. Let's start by removing these panels. Normally you can also replace the pump from the bottom. To do this, lay the washing machine on its side. Because there is no drain plug on the bottom of this type of washing machine, I have to do it this way. I have marked the wiring to keep them separate. There is still a bolt attached to the pump at the back. Now the pump is detached from the drum. This washing machine had a broken door seal and some pieces were left behind. Remove the hose from the machine and take out the pump. Now the broken pump can be disassembled and replaced. Unfortunately, the aftermarket pump does not have the same holes in the same location as the original. This is the only way to secure the new pump with the screw. I put a cable tie around it and then it's fixed for now. The pump is back on and now everything can be reassembled in the reverse order. So everything is reassembled and we are going to test the pump. Great, no water remains in the drum anymore. This job is done. Thanks for watching and see you next time.